Hit that notification, people. Ding, ding, ding.
Alright, most of y'all probably won't care about this too much. But it's an unboxing of fish food, and I want to see what's in here. I think it's 35 pounds of bulk, and I got a customer that needs 4 pounds shipped out immediately. So, brand new box, I'll be opening up. Yeah, I blacked out the name for a lot of reasons. Because it's my manufacturer. So let's see what we got here, people. Oh, nice little mix. Well, it smells good. Alright, let's take you for a tour here. Let me figure out how to undo this. Yeah, a lot more green this time. Whoops. Yep. Well, a lot more green than I'm accustomed to. Okay. Huh. Well, I don't want to smush it all up too much. I'm sure it was all dumped in a box and never mixed, you know, like what you're used to seeing. So you're seeing stuff I've never seen before. Yeah, see? That's what it is. You know, some of the yellow. So, I don't like seeing this stuff. Sorry. But yeah, this is what it looks like, you know, before you ever get it, you know, in your place. Yeah, look at that. Look at these full leaves. Look at that. What y'all used to seeing is, you know, that type of stuff. You know, it comes in your boxes. Now, I'm not going to try to smush it all up. I got to mix it up. But, yeah, there you go. See? Things like that. Look at that. So, I guess the manufacturer, I've never ordered this big of a box before. They just do X-Blend, and I know what they put in there. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you who I got it from. But that's what happens. And then when you see it, you know, in your typical, you know, containers. Huh. Okay, I thought it would be more mixed, but I'm going to guess they put X amount of red, whatever it is, X amount of green, X amount of yellow, X amount of whatever, and they simply mix it all together. Or well, they don't, well, you know, when you're getting fish food, that is pretty freaking cool. I am digging that, man. And, oh, look how far my arm goes down. Yeah, see? Right there, yellow. Okay? You see that? That is freaking crazy. That is crazy. Okay. So, I'm sorry, I keep wiping my arm off. I don't want to waste any of it. But, you know, I'm going to have to hand mix all this to get it to a more consistent deal. Now, I don't know. What's different about the green? What's different about the yellow? What is different about the red? I don't know. Okay. I'll have to contact them. But anyway, that's what's going on. And like I said, I've got to get about 4 pounds of this out to a customer and gotta figure out the cheapest way of doing that without costing a ton of money. But yeah, that's neat. So that's what happens, people. Raw unprocessed, or raw unprocessed foods, what you're saying. Look at that. I don't know, that might be a brine shrimp type flake. Look at that. I don't know, I find this amazing. Y'all may not. Just give me the food, Scott. Just give me the food. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to hand blend it all. Because I need it to look like normal food and make sure you get a good mixture of all the ingredients that's on the label. But that is just, I don't know. I think that's neat. Like plain and sand. Well, you're going to squash it all, Scott. I mean, come on. This is meant for guppies, man. I mean, seriously. You think guppies can eat freaking flakes like that? Well, I guess they could. But I won't say I'm going to try it on my fish. I mean, that's exclusively what I feed them. Mainly. Other than my top brand foods. But, there you go. That's what 35 pounds of fish food from a manufacturer looks like. It's that simple. Alright, well, whether you care or not, I gotta do some blending, baby. I gotta make sure everybody gets a little bit of everything. I don't want one customer to have too much green, you know, and this and that. To give you an idea what they normally look like, well, that didn't look very colorful, does it? But, probably the light. But this is normal, you know, really the same food, just kind of different source and same ingredients. Okay? But I kind of like this no donut. You jump in there, we're going to have issues. Yeah, I got to definitely close it up. But anyway, I love the colors, vibrant. Everything's looking good. So, alright, man. When you buy Fancytailaquatics bulk food, this is what you're getting, people. Right from the manufacturer. And that's what you get. Alright, later.